Action.
So, are you ready to play at the Disneyland play? You are ready? Yes, we are ready. So how are you doing today? Good. So, I'll show you to your room. Just straight over there. Okay. Come on, kids. Come on, Delfino and Delphinette. Okay. Oh, hello, our next customers. We're here for Disneyland to play. This is our trip. This is our first trip. Could you give us some water? Because we can't survive without water. How about you guys just go in the pool? You're straight down there. Okay.
I would say
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, you guys are okay down there. Yep. As long as we have water. Okay. Better just stay here and watch the kids do stuff. Mom, can I go play in a ride? Sure, honey. At least nobody would hurt me. Stand here. Here. Sitting here. Delfino, Delphinette. Yes, we're coming. Hey, where are you down here? We're gonna play. I'll watch you for a little bit. Okay. Nobody would hurt us, would they?
Really? If she wasn't taking all those, signs and stuff,